Welcome all of the users of LibreOffice, especially those who have some problems with numbering of the graphs. Let me explain what I mean by that. Let's open my document. So, as you see, this is first graph, but its number is 18. That's really strange behavior. And it continues. There is 19, 20, and so. And if you look at the last graph, you find out that its number is 37. That is not good. So what I can do with that? Let's close the document. And now I do very important thing. I am going to back up the file because I will do some actions that are not officially supported and which probably cause damage of the file. So I'm going to back up and recommend you to do the same. So I open it with Isarc. It works because the document is in ODT format. It is the default format of LibreOffice. But if you use LibreOffice regularly, you know it. So let's copy the file content XML and I copy it here. Yes. And now I open it in Notepad++. Notepad. Notepad. So let's load. I wait for the load and now yes. I open the document again. Yeah. So I copy this string and I find it in Notepad. It's slow some. I wait. It's frozen? Probably yes. I restart the Notepad. Sorry. You will have to wait. But yes. Let's terminate it and run it again. Okay. Let's find the string. So yeah, okay, let's move it. So now I copy this text okay. Oh, I do some bad decision. Mhm. So notice that this number is the same that there. Mhm. So to fix this problem, you simple change this number to 1. And this is the name of the graph graph. So I will do these changes. I wait. Yes. Save the document or the XML file, and now I will yeah, now I will put the content XML back to the document. Okay, and now I will open it. You can see that it works. There is 1, and there is still 19. So I will need change every graph. So if it some I run it again, it close itself. So that is strange. Yeah, it I run it again. At so now the name of the graph is this. And you see that the number is the same as the number of the graph. So let's change it to 2. Oh, well, yes, there is, it is. And I need to wait a little bit. I think that I deleted too much of it, so I turn it back and slowly overwrite the value. Now 2, yes, 2, save. Yes, it is saved. And now I repeat the process. Yes, overwrite. And I open the document. And it works. So you see that it is pretty easy. So that is it. Thanks for watching. And sorry for my bad English. I hope that you understand. Thanks.